This 2025 Forest River Sierra Destination 388JW is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features a switchback interior, sleeps 4, oven, microwave, TV antenna, water heater, TV. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Sierra Destination 388JW is 11,532 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.